Cloudbursts, flash floods, and landslides in recent years have become a regular feature in North India. Several states, including Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and Himachal Pradesh, are affected due to natural disasters. According to experts, climate change has worsened the current situation in India. They also blame frequent human interference, particularly in eco-sensitive Himalayan zones, for the catastrophes. Another major landslide has shaken the Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh. In the second such incident in the last 15 days, a part of a hill collapsed on the Rekong-Pio Shimla highway in Kinnaur around 11:50 am on August 11. Nearly 300 ITBP personnel have been deployed at the landslide site. Meanwhile, Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Jai Ram Thakur said that a helicopter has been arranged for the rescue operation. He also added that the rock slide took place when there was no rainfall in the area. Previously, around 8 tourists were killed after the boulder racing down the hill during a landslide smashed into a tempo traveller in the Kinnaur district. In Uttar Pradesh, over 600 villages are affected by the flash floods due to continuous rains in several districts. According to the report of the Central Water Commission, Sharda and Chambal rivers are flowing above the danger mark in Hamirpur district. Around 940 shelters have been set up in Uttar Pradesh for the people affected by the floods. Close to 1,125 flood posts have been set up to monitor the flood situation in the state. Meanwhile, the Indian Meteorological Department has predicted heavy rainfall in Uttar Pradesh over the next 24 hours. Flood threat looms large over Bihar's capital Patna, as well as after the Ganga river crosses the danger mark at Gandhi Ghat in the city. The flood situation remains grim in Bihar, with over 20,000 people being affected by the calamity in 16 districts. Darbhanga district reports the highest number of flood-related deaths, followed by Muzaffarpur. IMD has forecast widespread rains across Bihar till August 15. The spell of rains in Bihar could further worsen the flood situation in the state.